Okay, we have our head all prepped here. Checked our alignment with this here, so we know where we're going to put our glue, so we can glue it in, which will be through here. And also, we've added a couple screws here. These are 1.5-inch screws here. That just helps keep it together so it won't split on you later on. So we're going to glue, and you want to make sure you mark your pieces A and B so you know what's what, so you don't mess up and put the wrong side on the wrong piece. So we'll glue this on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So what I'll do is I'll glue this piece on. I'll let it set for a few hours for it to set up. And then we'll glue the other side on. And you just want to add one piece at a time, because if you don't, your pieces are going to slip and slide on you. It's going to be a lot harder to get it to line up. So it's best if you just do one piece at a time, let it set up, and then you can go on and do the next piece. Get that set, and now we'll put a clamp on this to hold it. And just want to make it snug till you get it where you want it, so you can still adjust it if you need to. Once you get it set where you want it, then you can tighten it down. Like I said, we're going to let it set for a couple hours, then we'll do the other side. We can tighten it down, and like I say, we'll let it set. And we'll let that set aside, let it set up, and we'll add the other piece. Thanks for watching.